What then is invitation? A word of welcome? If we use the word invite, what are we really doing?
And that's the only time they can talk to each other.
Oh, you are going to feed them at least?
Well, a takeaway. Chinese takeaway.
I love music, I love Asian culture, I love food, I have anxiety, I love Alex, I am a girlfriend, I love guitars, I am wonky and bendy, I am a partner, I like watching films, I love writing, I love science, I am overweight,
And I
Grace and Harry would get on if they were both at the same
And I would put
party.
Frida Kahlo into the mix.
Oh yes!
So
totally.
if we then had
That's the other person.
Frida, Grace and Perry and RuPaul.
oh my gosh,
Wow.
can you imagine?
Vincent
And
Van
Vincent.
Gogh would just be in the corner like, oh God.
That's
Just
Vincent in
so-
the corner. If I
so
could sing, I
quiet,
would
like-
sing That's Me in the Corner now. But
Yeah.
I can't sing.
That'd be me in the corner. If Frida Kahlo's coming, I'd be like, oh God, how do I compete? Like, I'd just be so stressed out.
Then is invitation. A word of welcome, but do I use it as a tool of satisfaction?
Loyalty, care.
Would be booty.
A lot of strange stories, facts, rapid thought, baggage, empathy, ideas, charm, legness, an afro.
That is pretty much me at social events, like chat, and then I'll just go, and then quiet again. And then like when I feel like my moment's ready, I'm like, oh, I've got a funny thing I can say here, and then quiet again. I just think being like the referee, the host, is not something.